In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a guest to Asana. Inviting a guest is really helpful when you want someone outside your organization, like a client, contractor, or partner, to see a specific project without giving them full access to everything in your workspace. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Asana account. First, start by opening Asana and selecting the project you want to share with your guest. Make sure this is the exact project where you want them to collaborate or view tasks. You can find it from your sidebar or by searching for the project name at the top. Once the project is open, you'll be looking at that project's main view, such as list, board, or timeline. Any of those is fine. What matters is that you're inside the correct project. Next, look towards the top right area of the project screen for the Share button. This button controls who has access to the project. Go ahead and click on Share. A small window or panel will open, showing you the people who currently have access and a field where you can invite new people. In that invite field, type in the email address of the guest you want to add. Make sure you enter it carefully, because Asana will send the invitation directly to this address. If the person isn't already part of your organization in Asana, they'll be treated as a guest and only see what you specifically share with them. After typing the email, you'll notice a default permission setting next to their address. There will be a small arrow or drop-down icon beside it. Click on that arrow to adjust their permission level. This is important because it determines what they can do inside the project. From the options that appear, select Viewer. Setting them as a viewer means they can see tasks, descriptions, and updates in this project, but they won't be able to make changes like editing tasks or adding new ones. This is usually the safest option for guests, especially clients, when you want transparency without risking accidental edits. Once you've confirmed the email and the permission level is set to viewer, go ahead and click on Invite. Asana will send an invitation email to that person. When they accept it, they'll be able to open the project and view